In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add recovery email in Gmail. This is a simple but important update that helps you regain access to your account if you ever forget your password or get locked out. Let's walk through it together, step by step, and I'll share a few tips along the way. First, sign into your Gmail account and open your Google account settings. The quickest way is to click your profile picture in the top right corner and choose Manage your Google account. If you're already on a Google page, you can usually find this option in the same spot. Once you're in your Google account, head to the Personal Info section. This is where Google keeps details about you and how they can contact you. Take a moment to make sure you recognize this layout, since you'll likely return here in the future to manage your info. Scroll down to the Contact Info area and select Email. This page shows the different email addresses associated with your account. Look for the option labeled Recovery Email. Click Add Recovery Email to begin. For security, Google may ask you to re-enter your password. This is normal and helps confirm it's really you making changes to sensitive settings. Enter your password to continue. Now, type in the recovery email address you want to add. Choose an email you always have access to, ideally one you check regularly and plan to keep long-term. Avoid shared addresses to keep your account secure. After you enter it, Google will send a verification code to that recovery email. Open a new tab or check your email app, look for the message from Google, and copy the code. If you don't see it right away, give it a minute, and check your spam or promotions folder just in case. Return to the verification prompt and enter the code exactly as shown. Once it's verified, your recovery email is officially linked to your account. That's it, an extra layer of protection is now in place, which can make password resets and account recovery much smoother. If you ever get a new email address, you can come back to this same spot to update or remove your recovery email. It's a good idea to review these settings every so often to keep your account information current. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.